Hi, I'm David Baumert, and I'm a member of the Microsoft Strategic Prototyping team. We're in part of the AI and Research Division. Today we brought some Receptionist assistant robots. We plan to deploy these later on in Building 99 to help receptionists be able to stay at their post yet still do more within the building, and then also be able to interact with a wider range of people. This particular robot is going to help us retrieve items from inside the building and then deliver them to people. It's using a combination of local processing and cloud processing to do image recognition and motion planning. And the result here is that, very different from an industrial setting where everything is repeated, this robot is able to figure out the situation even at the time and is actually able to retrieve the beverage from the inside of the inside of the refrigerator. Yeah. So over here, there's a bit of a view of what's going on, and part of the process for figuring out how to move is to run simulations. And when a simulation is found that actually works as a solution here, then that data is provided to the robot that commands the joints into the specific sequences needed to actually grab the beverage. So one thing we can see here as we're waiting, some of the computing costs of these various tasks can affect the quality of this scenario in different ways. So what we're very interested to know is what makes sense to run here locally and what makes sense to actually ship up to the cloud. So if those kinds of optimizations of where the code is actually running potentially can speed up this scenario. But as you can see, it's able to effectively get the task completed. So we think this is one step along a story that's going to continue about a beautiful relationship between humans and robots.